Hi, my name is Arit Anderson. Over the last year, it's been so important for many people to get out into their gardens to help them with their health and well-being. Did you know that over 31 million people visited the RHS website to get useful tips on how to garden? And I believe there's an estimated new 3 million gardeners out there joining us merry band, so welcome if you're new to gardening. Now it's National Garden Week and the RHS is encouraging all of us to get our dose of vitamin G, and today I'm about to do that. I have a small garden, so containers do spotlight quite a lot in our space so we can move things around, and today I'm going to plant up some new potatoes into a container. I've already filled it halfway up with some peat-free compost. Got my potato tuber. This one is new potato is Rocket, and then I'm just going to make sure with the shoots up, pop it into the container. And with new potatoes, they're quite good in small spaces because obviously potatoes don't need to have as much room as main crop, and I can pop those in there. Okay, and then it will be in a few months' time I shall send the children in to delve in and pop up their potatoes. Okay, so that's done. Get some compost to sit on top of that. Sprinkle that in. Now, what you don't want to do, if you can help it, is fill the whole container. Potatoes need it to be nice and dark. You cover that over, and then in a couple of weeks there'll be some shoots on there. I'll be burying it again. More shoots will come off, more potatoes, and I'll just be enjoying vitamin G all the way through until that time. So choose your activity on a daily basis and enjoy your vitamin G.